everybody, welcome to Bears and Bigfoot. Today I'm going to show you how to take good DSLR photos. First, we want to get the equipment we need, so I'm using a Nikon D3300 with an 18-55mm Nikkor lens, I think it's called. I'm not sure if that's how it's pronounced. But this is a great little camera. I bought it for $130 used on Facebook Marketplace, which is pretty low for what it is. Expect like 150 to 170, especially with such low shutter count like the one I got was. Mine is red, which is quite a fun color for a camera. Now that we have our lens attached, let's go out and take some photos. Always check your shutter speed and stuff before taking photos, because mine was at 400. You want around 20 to 100. Your next step is to find places to take photos. It can really be anywhere, just try and find something you think could turn into a good photo. Also, don't forget to remove your lens cap. So I'm seeing how the dew from this morning, it was frosty, is reflecting off of the plants. I want to find some of this dew and get a photo of it up close. The way this is reflecting off the sun looks beautiful. I want to try that. This tree is very mossy, and moss up close always looks good. So, this is my next shot. Now that you've taken your photos, you're going to want to power off your camera, pop out the SD card, and plug that into your computer. This took me way too many tries to plug in, 10 at least. So I just cut the video until it's plugged in. Next, you're going to want to find where on the SD card your photos are. With Nikon, it's pretty simply laid out. And then you're going to want to select all the photos you took, multiples and everything. And you are going to want to transfer that to a folder on your computer's SSD or hard drive. This shouldn't take that long. If it does, just wait a little bit and it will eventually show up on there. Once the files are all transferred, go into the editing app of your choice. I use NX Studio, which is Nikon's own editing software. It's completely free. Doesn't take much computer power. It's a really good one to use. I prefer it. It's very simply laid out. So you are going to want to adjust sharpening, saturation, contrast, brightness, and the lighting thing. I think it's called DS lighting. And you're going to want to tweak those until you get the look you want. It doesn't have to be perfect. And it's pretty hard once you first start out, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. And then you're going to want to click Export up in the corner. I am not going through the setup here. If you just installed it, you're going to want to find another video on YouTube of the setup, but just be creative. It will turn out fine in the end. And if it doesn't, just keep trying. Some photos you took aren't going to turn out that good. Even like professional photographers take a lot of photos. I'm not a professional, by the way. I I've been taking photos a while, but I just do it as a hobby. Um so if your favorite shot didn't turn out good, just go back out to where you took it if possible and try again, or you can just um you can usually, like, if you took other photos that turned out pretty good, good. I'd say when you first start out, maybe half of your photos will turn out fine, but that's not a set number. You can have all your photos turn out good, or you can have none of them turn out good. Just keep trying until you get some good photos. Um, and once you get the hang of it, it's fairly simple. Just a tip: use RAW files for editing, not JPGs. And my phone fell.